Italy striker Ciro Immobile is being treated for back and rib injuries in hospital after his car was involved in an accident with a tram in Rome. Photographs show police at the scene of a collision between a tram and a car. Immobile, 33, scored in Lazio's 3-0 Serie A win at Spezia on Friday. Lazio said he had a sprain trauma of the spine and a compound fracture of his right rib, but that conditions are currently good. A club statement read, "The player remains under observation at the Department of Emergency Medicine directed by Professor Francesco Franceschi of the Policlinico Universitario Agostino Gemelli RCCES in Rome." Lazio host Torino in their next game on Saturday.